Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Sportage versus the Hyundai Tucson. These popular compact SUVs, while sharing a common foundation, present unique characteristics. We'll delve into their performance, interior comfort, technology, and overall value to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. Let's get started by looking at their core similarities and differences. Under the hood, both the Sportage and Tucson often feature a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 187 horsepower. The Sportage tends to offer a slightly firmer suspension, providing a more engaging and sporty feel on the road. In contrast, the Tucson is generally tuned for a softer, more comfortable ride, making it ideal for daily commuting and longer journeys. Both also offer hybrid and plug-in hybrid options for enhanced efficiency. Stepping inside, both SUVs boast modern interiors with ample passenger space, including over 41 inches of rear legroom. The Tucson typically offers a bit more cargo volume, around 620 liters, compared to the Sportage's 591 liters. You'll find large infotainment displays, often 12.3 inches, and a suite of advanced safety features in both models, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for everyone. When considering value, both the Sportage and Tucson offer compelling packages. Starting prices are very similar, often around $28,000. Kia provides an excellent 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, while Hyundai offers 5 years with unlimited mileage. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer a sportier ride or a softer one, and specific design preferences. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.